All right, guys, we're at the 9 through 12 online resources. I have the Noodletools tab open, and we're going to take a deep dive into teen health and wellness. This database from Rosen Digital covers all things health and wellness related, specifically designed for teens and high school students. This is the home page here. Tell your story. So there's a lot of stories written by teens for other teens sharing their experiences. You can see some in the news articles here is a little bit about hand washing. Sometimes there's a poll that's set up, and it even has some COVID-19 and coronavirus related information. The homepage also has a browse by subject, A to Z, already kind of set up into these main categories here. Let's take a look at diseases, infections, and conditions. A lot of times, teen health and wellness is used by anatomy and physiology students doing background research for their final project, or health and PE classes if they have to do any sort of research. So it's all divided up into alphabetical categories here. Asthma, allergies, bones, muscle, joints, brain and nervous system. As we continue to scroll, cancers, tumors, digestive system, you can see how it is set up to be easily navigated. So we're going to take a look at concussions. This tends to be a hot topic for students when doing research. We need to gather a little background information on what exactly is a concussion. We'll scroll through, just kind of skimming the article. Yeah, this looks good. We're going to need this for our research. So there's citation information at the bottom, MLA, APA, and Chicago. Up at the top, there is the cite button here. And similar to FactCite and Gale databases, Teen Health and Wellness has an export to Noodletools function. If you remember from that video, the previous Noodletools tutorial, you can click on that. It'll redirect you to import. We want to import it to our Noodletools project. Click import. There it is. Check our sources tab. This is why I had it open. We'll refresh. And there's the citation in our sources. So another very helpful feature when doing research with teen health and wellness. There is the option to save to PDF to a Google, either as a PDF or a doc. And if you're a Microsoft user, you can save it as a Word doc as well. There are further resources, further reading, additional related articles. Let's take a look back at the homepage. Another thing you can look at are skills for work, schoolwork, and life. There's hotlines too. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and you don't know who to contact, they do have some places where you can look for additional information. I would consult with the guidance department before making any calls or texts to any of these hotlines. Maybe we want to look at drugs and alcohol topic for those health classes. Again, similar setup here. Maybe we need some background information on vaping and smoking. This is another topic that is that students are always researching. So kind of begins with the understanding addiction, health impacts of smoking and vaping. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Yep. So this would be another good one that we can use. You can scroll down. You can get the citation information down here. Again, cite, export to Noodletools. If you need to access it later, you can save it as a PDF to your Google Drive. And that's just a quick look at teen health and wellness. It is really good. I like the way it's designed. It's very helpful, easy to navigate, and a lot of good information for a variety of research projects related to health and wellness.